everybody, it's Ronnie here, and so in today's video, I have for you guys some more cool and crafty Dollar Tree DIYs, and if you can tell by my gear, it's for Halloween. So this is part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, I will link it down below in the description along with my Dollar Tree hauls. Make sure to check those out because there's lots of cool stuff there. Now these DIYs are all perfect for home decor and are super customizable and super cute and easy to do. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing because it does help out this channel so much. We hit our goal of 300, so thank you all so much for that. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So for my first DIY, I have for you guys this really cute spooky menu sign that is sure to spice up any kitchen for Halloween. It is super easy to make and costs under $3 to make. So first I took some of this chalkboard spray paint. I got mine at Home Depot. I taped off part of my board and I just gave it a quick coat of spray paint. Then I used my Cricut to cut out the letters and some extra little pumpkin decals for the sign. You can always use stickers from the Dollar Tree. Then taking my sign, I went ahead and used some transfer tape to transfer on the words. So I decided to put spooky menu since that is what I wanted to have on the sign. Then I just went ahead and peeled off that tape for some clean edges. It's fine if it's not perfectly clean, because then I added some more tape and painted a border with some orange acrylic paint. They do have orange acrylic paint at the dollar store. Then taking some of their Jenga blocks and small wooden cubes, I glued 2 rows of 2 together along with some extra blocks around the side to create a little tray to hold a piece of chalk, because it is a chalkboard. I then went ahead and hot glued that bad boy onto the bottom so it'd be able to catch all the chalk dust and also hold that piece of chalk or one of Dollar Tree's chalk pens that I would be using to write on the sign. And now I'm just going ahead and adding some extra little pumpkins just to fill in the space and kind of still keep that pumpkin spooky vibe. And I think it's just super cute, and you can definitely customize this to whatever sort of Halloween aesthetic you're going for. So next up, Halloween is never complete without candy, but you want to at least display it nice. So here I have for you guys this cool light up skeleton in a bowl for your candy. So I took this skeleton from Dollar Tree. It does light up. And I went ahead, I tried to use an X-Acto knife, that didn't work too well, so I recommend using just scissors. Scissors worked way better than an X-Acto knife for some reason. So I just went ahead, I cut off from the pelvis down, and then I also cut it off from your elbow, and I will cut it again from the knees, and I went ahead and glued the upper body to the inside of the bowl, and attached the arms to the side with hot glue to make it look like he had its arms resting on the bowl, almost as if it was in a hot tub. Then I went ahead and glued the pelvis into the bottom and glued the legs to make it look like they were just hanging out of there, almost like those people in like kiddie pools. So now I'm going ahead and I'm cutting the words trick or treat with my Cricut. Again, you can use stickers. They even have some cool window clings at Dollar Tree that would be perfect for this. Just to spice up the bowl, I went ahead and I added this right underneath the legs on the bowl. And there you have it, a super easy and cute way to have some candy on Halloween. and that skeleton is sort of sound reactant, so its eyes will glow. This next DIY is for all you witches out there. I have this cute little witch's brew holder that can be customized and can hold whatever witchy products you have. So first, I took one of the planks from Dollar Tree along with some popsicle sticks and one of their wooden crates. I went ahead and hot glued that all together, and then I gave it a nice thick coat of black acrylic paint. You can choose to stain it or paint it any color your witchy heart desires. Then I went ahead and used my X-Acto knife and scissors to cut one of their plastic cauldrons in half. Now I'm just going ahead and taking my hot glue gun and hot gluing it to the back right side of the panel. And I just use some extra hot glue along the sides to just reinforce it. You can even go back with some more of your paint and just go ahead and glue it there. I even went ahead and I hot glued all of these circular glitter foam filler. You can always choose to leave it the color you want. I go ahead and change it later. I even cut up one of the skeletons from their garland and I just go ahead and glue it along the top just to add a little more oomph. Now I'm using my Cricut and I'm cutting the words Witch's Brew out of some green vinyl I got off Amazon, and I am just putting it in that empty space right there. Now to finish this off, I'm just taking some green acrylic paint and I am painting all of these little orbs along with some of the cauldron to make it look like it's kind of bubbling and dripping out in some green, and I think it looks super cute. I do try to put like a skull and candle in it and even some potion bottles. I think this is really cute for just some casual decor. Now to go along with that previous DIY, here's how I made these really cute potion bottles for around $2 to $3. So first I got the decals just off a quick Google search. I went ahead and searched up potion labels or witchy potion labels, and this was like one of the first searches. I cut them out. I took the small glass bottles from Dollar Tree. They have a couple different sizes, and then I go ahead and use some matte Mod Podge and one of Dollar Tree's paintbrushes to just paint on a layer of Mod Podge, stick it, and then put another coat on top of it to seal it in. And it dries really clear and nice. And I do that to all 6 of the vials that are in there. Now I'm going ahead and I'm using the funnel to help. It does get a little messy, and I use Dollar Tree's tube confetti to fill it in. So I got one pack that had red, green, and blue, and another pack that got silver, bronze, and gold. And when you fill them up, you can customize them. I think it is super cute. I do recommend gluing that cork in because it does fall out easily, but you can turn these into necklaces. You can put them in your witch's brew. There's so much you can do with it. Next up, here's this really cute garland I made for around $4, with even some more left over to make another garland. So I took 2 packs of these Dollar Tree plastic skulls and I gave them a quick coat of black spray paint. Now I also took 2 of the pumpkin vase filler they had. They're really cute. I talk about them in my Dollar Tree haul. And then I go ahead and I poke some holes in the plastic skulls, and using a needle and some yarn, I thread it through the skull, an orange pumpkin, another skull, and a purple pumpkin. Now they do have more different types of things at Dollar Tree, so you can definitely use this idea and customize it. I just really liked these colors and how they work together, especially for Halloween. So I was able to make 2 of these garlands with 5 skulls on each, and I still had leftover skulls to make another garland with 5 skulls each. So the last DIY I have for you guys is this very cute glitter Happy Halloween sign. I honestly just love how it came out, and I think it looks pretty high-end. So first I took one of the plain wooden Happy Halloween signs from Dollar Tree. I took out the string that was holding it up. I made sure to fill in the holes with some paint. You can even use wood filler or just tape it off. And I gave it a coat of orange acrylic paint. I'm doing the same thing with one of their circular wooden signs and with some black acrylic paint. Now after letting them both dry, I took some orange glitter from Dollar Tree and I'm doing the Mod Podge trick that I do all the time where I put a coat of Mod Podge, I sprinkle a bunch of glitter on it, and I let it dry and I put another coat of Mod Podge over it to seal it in, and it just looks so pretty. So now I'm going ahead and I'm hot gluing the Happy Halloween sign to the center of the black sign, making sure to line it up with the holes in the black sign. And just to add a little more oomph, I am adding a glitter trim around the edge with that same technique, and then I painted the string black and I'm adding that back, and boom, you have yourself a really cute Happy Halloween sign. And you can definitely customize this with different types of glitter that Dollar Tree has, or even use it for some of their other signs. I do a sign similar in my previous Dollar Tree haul, make sure to check that out. I will link that down below in the description. So thank you all so much for watching this video. I really do hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I do have another Halloween DIY video coming out next week, so make sure to keep your eyes peeled. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite DIY was. Mine is between that Happy Halloween sign and those really adorable potion vials. If you enjoy this content, make sure to hit that thumbs up and consider subscribing, because like I said, I have more of this content to come. And if you make one of these, make sure to tag me. I'd love to see it on my social media. My TikTok and Instagram are also both linked down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to have fun crafting.